Prime Minister both confirmed that they're having the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID jab tomorrow. This is after many EU countries suspended the rollout of that particular jab while further investigations took place over potential safety concerns. However, both the UK and European regulators have now cleared the vaccine for continued rollout, saying it was safe and effective. Our political editor, Nick Watt, reports.
The world, humbled by a joint threat and pinning hopes on a global exit plan. Dreamt up in one corner of the planet, manufactured in another, vaccines are then shipped far and wide. But raw national interests are asserting themselves as states and political blocs seek to hold on to supplies in their territories. Uncertainty over supply, just as medical authorities are forced to offer reassurances on the safety of vaccines. A clear message today from the EU's medical regulator after more than a dozen EU countries halted the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine over safety fears.
The committee has come to a clear scientific conclusion. This is a safe and effective vaccine. Its benefits in protecting people from COVID-19 with the associated risks of death and hospitalisation outweigh the possible risks.
Tonight, a quick response from across the EU.
Sa recommandation s'agissant du vaccin AstraZeneca.
France, Italy, Spain and Germany will all resume use of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. The EU and UK authorities both examined the same concern, whether there was a link between the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine and blood clots. The UK Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency said the evidence does not suggest that blood clots in veins are caused by the vaccine. And a review into 5 cases of a rare blood clot in the cerebral veins is continuing. This has been reported in less than 1 in a million people vaccinated in the UK and can occur naturally.
The MHRA assessed this data alongside the benefits of the vaccine in preventing COVID-19 with its associated risk of hospitalisation and death, and determined that the benefits firmly remain to outweigh the risks. So you should continue to receive your vaccine when you get the call or the second dose as soon as you're contacted.
A view endorsed by an advisor to the World Health Organization.
So the benefits of the AstraZeneca vaccine in preventing hospitalization and deaths from COVID-19 continue to outweigh the risks of any side effects from the vaccine. So that is the bottom line. There's insufficient data to conclude if these very rare adverse events are caused by the vaccine. They could also be related to COVID-19 infection and post-COVID syndrome.
And relief from a drug safety expert.
I'm in a much happier place. I think it's shown in a way that the system does work, and we have regulatory alignment between EMA and the MHRA. They're both speaking in the same terms, using the same science and decision-making process. And I think we are in a place where we can say the vaccine is safe, and that for those rare events that may be linked to the vaccine but may not, we do have some precautions we can put in place now.
A change in the atmosphere tonight as the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine is taken out of storage in countries across the EU. And perhaps signs of a new vaccine entente cordiale. Boris Johnson and his French counterpart Jean Castex will both receive that vaccine tomorrow. One minister voiced to me the hope that perhaps we'll see a new era of cooperation on vaccines with our near neighbours. Harmony for once in the troubled story of Europe's vaccine rollout. But challenges are never far away in this mammoth task.